In Ecuador, the most important industry for our economy is the oil industry. In the last few years, thanks to our government, there have been many new investments from multinational corporations, and these new investments are the ones that are driving really a very strong economy, particularly in oil. Of course, we are focusing on that a lot, but we are not neglecting other sectors such as construction and drinking water. So we focus on cutters, rotary cutters, tripods, and we are starting with the plastic tools. More than considering Reed our partner in business, it's like a family member, like a brother. The quality of the tools is really great, and the training has been very high quality. The fact that no other company has the tools that Reed provides is the strongest point, and this is thanks to their innovation and production of their tools.